Could we see another massive Bitcoin dump in 2025? And as you know, when Bitcoin dumps, all crypto dumps because they're still essentially tied together. Now, we all heard about the $6.5 billion worth of Bitcoin, which equates to like 69,000 Bitcoin, that was approved by the US government for the DOJ to auction off. And we saw that this caused a lot of problems in the market. We saw a move down yesterday to about $91,000, but as you can see, we quickly recovered and are trading about $95,000. And a lot of people blame this Bitcoin dump on the news because we know Trump is coming into office and working alongside Senator Cynthia Lummis. They want to create a Bitcoin strategic reserve. Also, there's now 4 states that want to create their own Bitcoin strategic reserve to strengthen their own economies: Pennsylvania, Texas, Alabama, Florida, and North Dakota, and New Hampshire. And it's really weird timing that the current administration approved this auction, well, the sale of this Bitcoin, because they know about the Bitcoin Strategic Reserve. It's everywhere. If you don't know what the Bitcoin Strategic Reserve is, I'm going to break it down to you. Basically, it suggests buying 1 million Bitcoin over 5 years and using the Fed remittances to fund the program, aiming to strengthen the dollar and ensure U.S. leadership in crypto. And yes, to also pay down our $36 trillion debt. Look at what's happened in El Salvador. Since they started adopting Bitcoin, their economy started getting better. And just so you know, none of the Bitcoin has been auctioned off. Here's the wallet. Super cute. You can see it's all there, 69,370 Bitcoin. We don't have an exact date when this Bitcoin will be sold or auctioned off, and it's not sold on the open market necessarily. However, it is transparent in a public auction that you can see online, but we don't know exactly who's going to buy the Bitcoin. If they want to sell on the open market, they can. But rumors still could cause a massive price drop. Personally, yesterday, I added more to my portfolio, because I really think that we're going to see a massive super cycle bull run that is going to extend in 2026, primarily because a lot of the public servants are still going to be creating policies when it comes to crypto. And these things do take time. But in the meantime, I am actually expecting some volatility in the crypto industry, especially Q1 and Q2 of 2025. Because again, we know we have a pro-crypto Congress, we know we have a pro-crypto president, but we still have to wait for regulations and laws. And remember, there is still a difference between retail and accredited. Accredited investors get a lot more privileges and retail gets a lot less. So me personally, I am taking the markets day by day. When I see an opportunity to add to my portfolio, I do. And sometimes I just sit on my hands. It really depends. Either way, this is definitely something you should have indicated in your trading and investing journals because we never know.